Opponents of the bill say it would protect children from the mistakes of their parents. Senate Majority Leader Harry Reid wants to take up the DREAM Act in the lame duck session, but Republicans are opposed. Dan and I are now joined by Wall Street Journal editorial board members Jason Riley and Dorothy Rabinowitz. So, Jason, let's stipulate that Harry Reid has behaved rather cynically with this bill, bringing it up in a rush before the election to try to help his re-election campaign. But let's put that aside and deal with the merits. Why do you support the bill?
Well, all illegal immigrants aren't the same. As you said in the introduction, some people willfully enter the country illegally, usually in search of jobs. But I can't think of a group of individuals more blameless than the folks that would be targeted with this bill. These are the children of people who came here illegally. They had no say in the matter, and this bill would give them a way to legalize their status, earn a legal status through military service or college attendance activities we as a society should encourage, and I think it's the humane thing to do. And the alternative would be deportation if they're found? Would that be? It could be one alternative, sending them back to their home countries, but many of them, since they came as children, probably have no memory of that country. Maybe even don't even speak the language in some cases. So in some cases, you'd be sending them from the country they know, the only country they know, to a foreign country. To a foreign country. Okay, Dorothy. So let's take Jason's point. Isn't this rewarding good behavior? Don't we want to do that?
Well, I think that you have to look at it this way. There are many victims in this whole issue, but one of the questions to raise is, we call this the DREAM Act. It really is a dream. It's a dream, meaning that it has very little chance of reality. Who's going to enforce? Remember that the DREAM Act means you get the opportunity to earn citizenship by serving the Army, going to college, and who's going to enforce these views? But the second thing is...
Well, what do you mean, who's going to enforce it? Are you saying?
Who's going... people don't write an oath that the government is going to enforce in case you don't
No, people know who they're... If you serve 2 years in the military, say, then that's documentable, is it not?
No, it's going to college and going before that. You have to promise to do this in order to get this privilege. And we're talking about simple justice. We are rewarding one group of immigrants who have had this river to cross and the opportunity to enter here illegally. I'm not worried about the signal that we're sending, about the increase and the encouragement to illegal immigration. I'm worried about the simple justice of this quest, which is, it is the step to amnesty. It's a large step. It's an encouragement.
What about the point, Dorothy, Jason's point, that these are people children who came here with their parents. They didn't choose, they didn't break the law themselves. They were brought by their parents. And so why should we punish them?
I don't think it's a punishment. I mean, who is deporting these people?
Well, the implication is that they could be deported if they're discovered to be here illegally. Now, granted, a lot of them will never be discovered, but if they are, why should they be deported?
Well, I think there's a larger point. I mean, I take Dorothy's point that we have to,